सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै ॐ शान्तिः 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 पठामि संस्कृतं नित्यं वदामि संस्कृतं सदा ध्यायामि संस्कृतं सम्यक् वन्दे संस्कृतमातरम् वाक्यकारं वररुचिं भाष्यकारं पतञ्जलिं पाणिनिं सूत्रकारं च प्रणतोऽस्मि मुनित्रयम्. So as I mentioned, you all can do this vakyas, but I found that many people won't be able to do on their own. So we can do how we are doing earlier. Who will start from first vakya?
I can. Oh.
Yes.
Let Anusha start. అహం కార్యం కర్తుం ఇచ్చామి. నేను కార్యం చేయడానికి ఇష్టపడుతున్నాను.
Next. Same thing in English.
Okay. I have written in Hindi, but मैं कार्य करने के लिए चाहती हूँ. So I would like to do this work.
Okay. Next.
सः लेखं लेखितुं पुस्तकं पठितुं गृहं गन्तुं शत्रुं हन्तुं गुरुं వందితుం భోజనం ఖాదితుం చ ఇచ్చతి. అతడు లేఖను రాయడానికి, పుస్తకం చదవడానికి, ఇంటికి వెళ్ళడానికి, శత్రువులను చంపడానికి, గురువుకు నమస్కరించడానికి మరియు భోజనం చేయడానికి ఇష్టపడుతున్నాడు.
శత్రుం which vibhakti?
శత్రుం
which vachana?
ఏకవచనం.
What should be the meaning?
శత్రువును.
Next. English.
Should I do the English for it?
Yes.
Okay. He wants to write a letter. So lekam can be taken as letter, right?
Yes.
Read a book. Griham gantum, so to go home, to kill the, or do we have to take kill or defeat for hantum?
Kill, we can kill
the enemy. Yeah, kill the enemy. Do vandana of guru, to do praise or puja of guru. Then eat food. And eat food, sorry.
Yes. Next.
अहं कार्यं कर्तुं शक्नोमि, पठितुं च जानामि. I am able to do work and I know how to eat.
Eat? Patitum.
Patitum, to read or study.
Yes. What did you say? I couldn't hear that word. Patitum cha janami.
I know how to read. Read.
Yes. Next one.
అమ్మా తెలుగులో చెప్పనమ్మా.
Mm.
నేను కార్యం చేయగలను, చదవటం కూడా తెలుసు.
చదవగలను. నెక్స్ట్.
అమ్మా ఇది ఆల్ఫాబెటికల్ లో పిలుస్తారమ్మా, ఎవరైనా చెప్పొచ్చు.
ఎవరైనా చెప్పండి.
ఓకే అమ్మా, కెన్ ఐ ట్రై నెక్స్ట్ వన్?
Yes, yes.
ఏష సమయః కాలో వేళ వా పఠితుం. ఈ సమయము ఈ వేళ లేదా ఈ వేళ చదువుకోవటానికి. దిస్ టైమ్ ఈజ్ ఫర్ స్టడీ.
Yes. Next.
Puna ji, this exercise is 36, हमारे अभ्यास 36.
Yes, yes. Abhyas 36, fifth one now.
One.
Yes.
राम लिख और पढ़ सकता है. That is a one.
No, udaharana vakya.
उदाहरण वाक्य. Let me see where is
हाँ.
it.
Are you able to, did I share the screen?
No. I'm not
Didn't
seeing
I?
your screen. I'm not seeing your screen. So sorry.
No,
Screen is
screen
not
didn't
shared.
get shared.
Okay, okay. When I share the screen, it got stuck, then I stopped it. So, okay. Now you are able to see, right?
Yes.
Fifth one. Aham bhoktum paryaptah.
अहम भोक्तुम पर्याप्तः. अलम वा अस्मि. अहम भोक्तुम पर्याप्त means I obtained, right? Something.
Paryaptah, alam, both are same, enough.
Okay.
Paryaptah is like ending.
Ending. Okay.
Have done.
Alam va asmi. So I alam is that
Alam is enough.
okay, alam is enough. Okay, not something that alam I was saying. Okay, so aham bhoktum paryaptam alam va asmi. I paryaptam alam.
Enough to eat.
Okay.
Enough to eat. How to say, Amma?
I have eaten enough.
Enough, yeah.
Eaten enough. So khaditum.
No, not required.
Okay.
It is in
Okay.
English.
Yeah.
Sanskrit English. Yes. Next.
అంటే నేను భోజనం చేయడానికి సరైన వాడిని అంతేనా?
కాదు. నేను భోజనం చేయడం ఇంకా చాలు.
చేయడం ఇంకా చాలు.
అంటే సరిపోయింది, చేశాను. అలం అంటే ఇనఫ్, చాలు. నెక్స్ట్.
అస్మి is there.
Yeah, Kriyapada will be there. In Telugu, sometimes Kriyapada we won't use. Next. Shivananji? Are you there?
I'm there, but outside.
Okay. Okay. Next, who wants to do?
Shall I try, అమ్మా?
Yes.
అతడు మాట్లాడటానికి ఇష్టము కలిగి మాట్లాడటానికి ఇష్టము కలిగిన లేక మాట్లాడటానికి మనస్సు కలిగిన వాడై ఉన్నాడు.
In English?
He is able to he is interested to speak, or he is vaktumanaha. His mind is interested to speak.
Okay. Next.
Can we say, Purnaji, can we just say he wants to talk?
Actually, Vaktu Kamaha is the Visheshana for Saha.
Right.
Manaha is also Visheshana for Saha. So he is
Okay.
desire to speak.
Desirous of.
No, he is the one who has desire to speak. He and are one who has thinking to speak.
Or manaha is to think, or wishes to speak. Is that the understanding of Vaktu manaha?
Here we have given Vaktu Kamaha, Vaktu Manaha, both meanings are same. But I took this Vaktu Manaha as Mana means thinking. Vaktu Manaha means thinker, the one who is thinking to speak.
Okay.
That
Desire. So who is desirer and thinker? One
yes,
who is desirer and thinker. Can we say that?
Yes. He is desirer and thinker. That is the complete meaning. Okay. Next.
कृष्णः अत्र अस्ते आस्ताम् ఆశిష్యతే వా. కృష్ణుడు ఇక్కడ ఉంటున్నాడు, ఉండేవాడు, ఉండబోతున్నాడమ్మా.
Next, in English.
Krishna is sitting here, was sitting here.
Where is sitting? No. As dhatu is okay. As dhatu is to
Also ఇక్కడ.
Is sorry. I took it for sitting. Is that not right?
Yes. It is as dhatu only, not as dhatu.
As only. Okay. So I will first tell it in Hindi. It is easier for me. कृष्ण यहाँ बैठा है, बैठे हैं, बैठा है, बैठता है, बैठे हैं, बैठा है, बैठना चाहता है, बैठेगा.
Anusha, it's ఉన్నాడు కాదు, కూర్చున్నాడు.
కృష్ణుడు ఇక్కడ కూర్చుంటున్నాడు.
Okay, next.
खाने के लिए घर जाओ.
Sorry, I asked which one is बैठना चाहता है. I didn't see that. Aparna.
It is not tumun pratyantama. It is just prayoga.
बैठना चाहिए. I think the lot.
It is simple As dhatu prayoga only, no, Amma, here. So
Yeah,
it's not human.
yeah,
बैठे
it
that
is
is
only
बैठेगा आशिष्यते is बैठेगा.
that is future tense.
Yeah, can we go through it slower? Sorry, you went through it fast. So aste is what? Atra aste.
बैठता है.
That lakara.
लट लकार.
Okay. Next is astam.
बैठा है. Sorry, Assam is, I think,
Lot lakara.
Lot lak.
so
Past.
बैठे. बैठे.
Krishna's feet.
That's it only. Yeah, I mean a little bit of more of.
So let him sit is what I
Let
think
him
she's
sit,
saying.
yeah.
Agnat.
आसीत will be बैठा है. बैठा.
Asita.
Something
It
in
is
the
not
past.
asit, asita.
Sorry, yeah, आसीता. आसीता.
That is vidhiling.
Hmm.
You should sit here or बैठना चाहिए. There you can put चाहिए.
बैठना चाहिए.
Yes.
Then and then
Asta.
आशिष्यते is बैठेगा.
And asta is lang lakara. बैठा था.
बैठा था.
Okay.
I thought
Thank you.
Asishyate is Vidhiling, no?
No. Asishyate is lut lakara.
Little.
Bhavish.
Okay.
Future tense.
Okay.
Yes. Okay. Thank you. Sorry for slowing you down.
Yo.
It's okay. Next one.
खाने के लिए घर जाओ. So खादितुम गृहम गच्छ. Not sure. It's
What
correct.
is the kriya pada?
Gaccha, na? Gacch.
Gacha. Yes. Next one.
Mhm. Is the sentence correct?
Yes, it's correct. Next one.
पढ़ने के लिए विद्यालयम जाओ. पठितुम विद्यालयम गच्छ.
Yes. Next. I think it's a little bit different, difficult.
Balak कौन कौवे
Away.
कौवे की चोंच. Okay, कौवे की. Sorry. बालक कौवे की चोंच को तोड़ना चाहता है. Man, he's very violent. The boy wants to break the beak of the crow.
Can you say in Sanskrit?
Oh, sorry, I have to say Sanskrit. Balakah kakasya
Chanchu.
chanchu. Right. Chanchu.
Toditum.
No, is there a toditum? I have not.
Chanchum.
Chanchum. What is for breaking?
Trotaitum.
With that.
Trotayitum. Trotayitum ichhati.
Chetum, bhetum. All these are for breaking only.
Thank you.
Amma, yeshitum is not okay, Amma. Yeshitum.
Yeshitum. What is the dhatu?
It's
Here it is ఇరవడానికి తుంచడానికి.
Oh. Okay.
Trotayitum. What is the kriya pada?
Ichhati.
Ichhati. Yes. Can you complete the vakya once again?
Okay, I changed it a little bit. Balakah kakasya chanchum chetum ichhati.
Okay. Next one.
यह भोजन का समय है. भोजनस्य समयः अस्ति. भोजनस्य समयः अस्ति
If you use tuman pratyaya, how will you say?
past one.
Hmm. Here what they have given? Fourth, you look at the fourth one, udaharana vakya.
Anusha ji had to, I think, just drop the call.
Oh, okay. Somebody else can do this.
एषः समयः भोक्तुम्
अस्ति.
Yes, that's it. Eshah samayah bhoktum.
So asti is not
Yes,
required, Purna ji?
Samayah is there, na? Hasti we can use.
Okay.
Yes.
So एषः समयः भोक्तुम् अस्ति.
Is idam can be used or no? Eshaha is the
Idam,
samayah. Okay.
idam is pullinga.
We can't hear you, Purna ji.
Yes. Now can you hear me?
Yes.
Yes, Purna.
I am. We should use I am.
Not Esha, Purna ji?
Thank you.
Eshaha is also correct. If we want to use idam shabda,
Okay.
idam shabda pullinga ekavachanam I am.
I am. Okay.
Next.
उमा लिखा और पढ़ सकती है। उमा लेखितुं पठितुं च शक्नोति।
Yes.
Purna ji, can we also write shaktum asti? Or
No. Patitum, lekitum is also tuman pratyaya will go to there.
Right.
So this shaknoti is
Okay.
kriya pada.
Got it.
Next. Big vakya. Who will do? Yes, Sridhar ji.
कृष्ण खाना खाने के लिए कृष्ण खाना खाने के लिए खादित.
You can read the whole vakya, then you will get the idea where what is the kriya pada and what I have to make the padas. You can read the
कृष्णा खाना खाने के लिए, पाठ पढ़ने के लिए, लेख लिखने के लिए, काम करने के लिए, गाय धोने के लिए, भार ढोने के लिए, गाय लाने के लिए और रस्सी जलाने के लिए वहां जाता है। कृष्ण खाना खाने के लिए कृष्ण खादम
खाने के लिए we can use tuman pratyaya.
So खादितुम,
कृष्ण खादितुम
पठितुम पाठ.
किम 1 minute. किम खादितुम?
ओके. खाना खाने के लिए ना?
खाना what will you say?
खाना is खाना
भोजनम.
ओके. भोजनम, सिंपल भोजन. कृष्ण भोजनम खादितुम पाठं
हाँ।
पठितुं लेखनी लेखनी लिखितुं
Lekhani means what?
लेखनी like whatever you write.
No, Lekhani is pen. Lekhani
Pen,
is pen.
correct.
हाँ, letter is patram.
पत्रं लिखितुं
हाँ, लिख धातु is said dhatu. So it will
Okay.
get it agama lekhitum.
लिखितुं
Anga will get guna, anga will get guna, and it agama will come. So it will become lekhitum.
What did you say?
Lekhitum.
लिखितुं. Okay. So कृष्णः भोजनं खादितुं पाठं पठितुं पत्रं लेखितुं कामः काम will be kama only, na करे na.
You read the
करियतुं
Huh?
काम करियतुं.
No, this is Hindi, not this is Sanskrit.
Yeah. So no, काम
It's
कार्यं
कार्यं करितुं कार्यं
No,
काम
it is that-
कार्यं करितुं
Karyam.
कारयितुं
Okay. Karyam kartum.
कार्यं कर्तुं करने के लिए, हाँ करने कार्यं कर्तुं धेनुः दुग्धं गाय धेनु के लिए दुहेन के लिए गाय दुहेन will be what?
Goho dugdham dogdhum.
गोहो दुग्धम.
Dugdham means milk. One minute. Dugdham means milk. Dogdham means that Vishnu milk. Milking.
Okay.
Milking, right? Dogdham.
Yes, Purnaji.
दुग्धम.
Yes.
And then भार ढोने के लिए भार will be what? भारम. भार.
Yes, bharam is correct.
ढोने के लिए this will be tuman and tuman will be dhodi.
Okay,
dhodi.
from here somebody else can do.
Should I try, Purnaji?
Yes.
Okay. धेनुं दोग्धुं भारं वोढुं धेनुम् आनेतुं रज्जुं च दग्धुं तत्र गच्छति.
Yes. Bharam, what did you say?
वोढुं.
Gam?
Sorry, what, Purnaji?
After bharam vodhum, what is that vakya?
धेनुं.
Dhenu. Okay. Kriya pada is what? And that. Tuman pratyaya pada?
आनेतुं.
Okay. So the complete vakya is Krishnaha bhoktum patitum lekhitum karyam kartum goho dugdham dogdham bharam vodhum gam anetum rajjum dagdhum cha tatra gacchati. So here dugdham is extra word is there that in the translation that is not there, but in some other book dugdham is also there. Okay, next one. Who will do? It's also big
So
vowel.
just one question, the bharam dhone ke bhar dhone ke liye bharam nayatum is also okay?
Bharam, no. This is vah dhatu. Vah dhatu.
wahitum.
Huh?
Vahitum usage, amma.
No, vodhum only. That vah dhatu to pratyaya becomes vodhum.
Hoda sutra.
Huh?
Hoda sutra.
Vodha sutra. There are 3-4 sutras are there for this. Samprasaranacha is also there. You all are comfortable with Samprasaranacha, I think. Many times Swamiji every time mentions. Ota Prota also Samprasaranacha only. Vahadatu is to carry. Vah prapane. Vodhum. See, this is how it forms. Vad ha becomes dha by Hodaha Sutra. Then this ta will change into Alpaprana Takara will change into Murdhan, the Mahaprana Dhakara. Jashastator Dodhaha by that sutra. Again, this Dhakara will change into Dhakara Shtunashtuhu, this sutra you know. And here what happens is, this Dhakara will get Lopa by Dodhe Lopaha. When Dakara follows by another Dakara, that first Dakara will get Lopa. Then Vodhum. Sahi Vahoro Davarnasya. This Vakara gets Guna by this Sahi Vahoro Davarnasya by that sutra. Vodhum. So don't write on our own. Okay. Khad is there, khaditum is there, vah is there, vahitum. So don't go like that, because every pada is having different sutras. So it is easy to look at Ashtadhyayi performs. Okay.
The niyama also he mentioned, no?
See, I did not mention all these niyamas. How many things are there in this? If
in yesterday, while you are explaining 132 niyama, you told this sutra and also the dhatus like saha, vaha, odum,
yes,
yes, that's what you said yesterday. I am saying.
Yes. That's right. Because that's why I did not explain these sutras. It is too many sutras we required. To know Jashastatur Dodaha, some other sutra is required. To know that last sutra, some other sutra is. So it is all connection will be there. So it is better to keep looking forms. When we become familiar with the forms, then we can go to sutras. Okay.
Purnaji, one question, sorry to ask you. So
Yes.
that bhar dhone ke liye, that's why we are using vodhum. So how do I know in the Ashtadhyayi Sutra, how do I check, because bhar dhone ke liye, so vaha, how do I maybe I missed something?
Here actually they have given dhatus.
Okay, I have not seen that.
In
Okay.
each chapter they have given some dhatus.
Okay.
Actually, in last 2-3 chapters, they are not giving. I think they have not given much dhatus, but in previous chapters they have given lot of dhatus and names also, meanings
Okay,
also.
I can use that.
From there we can get.
Thank you.
Okay, next. Next one, 2 people can do.
Shall I try, ma?
Yes.
वृक्ष पर चढ़ने के लिए, दुख सहन करने के लिए, गाय देखने के लिए, प्रश्न पूछने के लिए, यज्ञ करने के लिए, पुत्र की रक्षा करने के लिए, गाना गाने के लिए और शत्रु को जीतने के लिए तुम यहाँ आना। तुम यहाँ आना, त्वम अत्र वृक्षम आरोढ़ुम वृक्षम् आरोढुं
Hmm.
वृक्षम् आरोढुं दुःखं दुःखं सोढुं
Yes.
दुःखं सोढुं गां गां पश् धातु becomes पश् becomes
दृश्
द्रष्टुं
What is the pash? Pash is the dhatu.
दृश् is the dhatu amma, it becomes
Ah.
pash. दृश् द्रष्टुं द्रष्टुं
Not
Ah,
drishtum, drashtum. Drashtum.
गां द्रष्टुं
Hmm.
गां द्रष्टुं प्रश्नं पृष्टुं
Prashtum.
प्रश्नं प्रष्टुं
Hmm.
यज्ञं यष्टुं
Hmm.
पुत्रम रक्ष के लिए धातु रक्ष रक्ष रक्षितुम
Yes.
पुत्रम रक्षितुम गीतम 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 गाने के लिए
What is the dhatu?
गाने के लिए धातु अम्मा यू प्लीज हेल्प अम्मा
Gai dhatu.
गई becomes गई गातुम इच्चारम्मा इक्कड़ गई गातुम त्रय त्रातुम गई गातुम
How gai becomes gatum? Ga. What is the sutra?
सूत्र सूत्र अम्मा
Anybody? Yesterday we saw. Earlier also we saw this sutra, same sutra.
Is it the where the guna happens for the upada? Is that the one?
No,
No, not that one. Okay.
no. Gai becomes ga. Huh, Prabhaji. What
No,
is
I'm
it?
just looking at the Ashtadhyayi. It says Adecha Upadeshe Sthiti. Ashiti.
Did we see this yesterday? Glai is the example given in there. Laghu, or I don't know from where I have copied. Kashika or Laghu. They have given example glai. Gla. We saw that. Okay, continue.
शत्रु को जीतने के लिए शत्रुम जीतना जेतुम जेतुम
G becomes J.
जेतुम गुणा एंड तुमन जी जेतुम जेतुम त्वम अत्र आगच्छ.
Yes. Next one. Who can do next one?
वह पढ़ने का इच्छुक है, खाने का इच्छुक है और गाने का भी इच्छुक है. कामः व्यामनः. सः पठितुम् इच्छा.
Yeah. We can use this kama and mana shabda.
पठमान.
What is given there? Vaktu kamaha. Vaktu manaha.
पढ़ने का पट पठमान
पठितु कामः
पठितु काम पठितु कामः भो- भोक्तुं कामः
भोक्तु कामः
भोक्तु कामः गीत गीतं गीत गन् गा गातुं कामः
न गातुं गातु कामः
गातु कामः च
That's it. He is asti you can use or bhavati, whatever. He is patitu kamaha, bhoktu kamaha and gatu kamaha. Next. Numbers are coming. Okay, it's time over. We'll do this tomorrow. Om Purnamadaha Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vashishyate Om Shanti 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 Hari Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha Hari Om